This is why nobody wants to become a truck driver, because when this guy arrived late to park his truck, he realized it wasn't going to be easy as every other truck was already parked, but it was a requirement to park it right here, so he used a genius technique to do so. He first spent several minutes trying to wiggle the trailer towards the right side, but as it got to a literal 90-degree angle, the driver could not even see the other side. And this is when the people around him advised that the maneuver he was attempting is physically impossible. So the driver had another trick up his sleeve. He straightens the trailer, then moves the blue semi out of the way, then detaches the trailer off the truck and crosses to the other side. Then after making lots of tiny movements, the trailer is reattached and finally backed in.